Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sam with Solely Ryobi, and today, guys, we got us a new tool for New Tool Tuesday. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back, guys. Before we jump into this new tool that we're opening, if you guys aren't subscribed, hit the subscription button, really helps us out. Also, if there's a Ryobi tool you would like to see on the channel, comment below, let us know what that tool is. So guys, today we got us a grinder. So this is a grinder and a cutoff tool. It's part of the OnePlus HP lineup. So we're really excited. We're gonna open this up, give you guys some stats. But before we open up, like I said, we're gonna give you some stats. So this includes, it comes with a guard, it also has a handle, and it comes with a grinding wheel and also a cutoff wheel. Supposed to be 30% faster cutting. I'm guessing this is for their old cutting and grinder, not the HP. And it says it has up to 200 cuts per charge. So let's open this up. This is the tool only. It does not have the battery, so we didn't want to buy the battery. So let's open it up. All right, so this is what it looks like. Check that out. Here is the grinder guard. There are what else is in here? Here's the handle. So they also failed to mention that it also comes with the tool to attach the blades to. So here's the grinder and here's the cutting blade. So check that out. We've got some instructions as well. We'll read those, but the model number on this, if I can find it here, it is the Ryobi PBLAG01B. So the Ryobi brushless 18-volt 4.5 angle grinder and cutoff tool. So check that out. So let's actually just get it out of the plastic and see what it feels like here. It actually feels kind of heavy. So the One HP stuff is, man, it feels so good in your hands. It feels quality. I think it's awesome. So let's see what that does. So that's like a lock. There's a switch lock on that. Interesting. So you got to pull the switch up to get it going. But overall, I like that. I like that it's a big, full button so that when you're grabbing it, it's not just like one finger. Because typically with grinding and cutting, it's you're pulling that trigger a lot. So you push this button right here and unscrew this. And that also comes off. And there we go, guys. Wow. All right, guys, thanks for watching. So let us know what you think in the comments below. Do any of you guys have one of these grinders or the old version of this, the non-HP? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.